Morning, dear students. How are you today? I hope you're fine. Today we are going to talk about lesson 2 variables and expressions. Okay, let's start. Before you simplified numerical expressions, remember? Now you're gonna evaluate variable expressions. Why? You can calculate sport data as an example 3. Okay, let's see together what are we talking about. Here I have substituting. We have here an activity as you see here. Okay, I have numbers. Write the numbers through 1 through 9. Okay, 1 through 9. Write n plus 6 on the remaining part of the paper. Okay, this is as an activity. Cut two vertical slats, okay, big enough for the number stripe to fit through on each of the n. Okay, here I substitute. I want you to know that I have here n. Okay, this is number, n number, and the numbers I have from 1 to 9. Every time I can substitute n by 1, 2, 3 until 9. Okay. Repeat the activity for the given n minus 1 or n times 2. Here this activity means what? I can here substitute n by the numbers 1 plus 6, 2 plus 6, and so on. And here he asks me to repeat the activity by substituting. What does it mean substituting? Remember, to put instead. Okay, focus. To put instead. So Hanan, do you remember this? Put instead, I have here, instead of n, I will put here 1 for this one. 1 minus 1. Okay, Hanan, I have here n minus 1 for 2. N, and instead of n, I here chose 2. 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, and so on. Here another example. I have n times 2. Rubin, I can use numbers from these numbers from 1 to 9 and put instead of what? N. So 1 times 2, 2 times 2. What is here the fixed number? Fixed means it doesn't change. Here, this is fixed. This is what number 2 here is fixed. But n is variable. Variable means what? Changes a lot. So let's see together. Substituting, okay? Substituting here. In the activity, you substituted numbers for the variable n. Why n? Okay, n is variable because I can make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It changes. A variable is a letter used to represent one or more numbers. Okay? A variable expression like n plus 6. This is a variable expression. This is called what, dear students? Variable expression. Okay? So, variable expression consists of numbers, variables, and operations. Numbers, variables, and operations. To evaluate a variable expression, you substitute values for the variables and then simplify the resulting numerical expression. It's easy, don't panic. Let's see. Okay, for example, here 1, evaluating variable expressions. Evaluate x plus 4, as you see here, x plus 4 equal, here, evaluate x plus 4 when x is 9. Easy or not? Very easy. X plus 4, I have here, let me write this. X plus 4, okay? And here, x equals what? It's given here, x equals 9. So, put instead of x, this is called substitution. Don't forget, substitution. So I'm going to write here 9 instead of x. Plus 4 equals 2, 9 plus 4, 13. Easy one. Okay, let's change the color. Okay, so here, this is for A. This is for example A. Let's see example 2. Evaluate y minus 3 when y is 7 equals 7. Can you see this? Substitute 7 for y. Substitute 7 for y. or put instead of y, I can put here 7. So 7 minus 3, it gives me 4. Easy one, right? Okay. I have here this for your practice. You can practice this. Instead of m, substitute m. Evaluate the expression when a equals 3 and m equals to 9. So it's very easy. 7 plus m, it means that 7 plus what, dear students? I can hear you. Right, 7 plus 9. Easy one. Okay? Okay. New concepts. Multiplication and division expressions. The expression 2 times 5 can also be written as, yes, 2, right, look here, 2, Samir. This is, instead of multiplication, I can write this dot. Can you see this? Yes, times 5, okay? And I have here A, B, okay. Multiplication 5n is another way of writing 5n, 5 times n. So here focus, 5 times n, the same as 5 dot n, and the same as also 5n. This is very important to know. Write this down, okay, on your notebook. I'd like you to bring notebook and write this, because this is important. It's important to know. Okay. And also there is another way. I can say 5n. Okay, 5n here means what? 5 times n. Okay, division, for division. X over 4, here x over 4, okay, is another way of writing x divided 4. Yes, we know that, but I want you to write it. Thanks. Remember this. Evaluating variable expression. Let's solve together. Evaluate for n. Here I want, okay. Evaluate for n when n is 6. For n equals what? And instead of n, I will write, yes, I will substitute it by 6. We will use new expressions here. Substitute, put instead 6. For n, it means 4 times 6. Substitute 6 for n. Okay, I like it so much. When I say here 4, here 4, 6, it's what? Multiplication, right? Multiply. 4 times 6 equal 24. Okay, easy one. Evaluate z or z over 2. When I have here z over 2, it's what? Z here equal 8. 8 divided 2. This is means divided. Substitute 8 for z or z. It will give you 4, right? Okay, it's easy, I know. Ice hockey. Hockey players earn points for goals and assists. The expressing G plus A can be used to find the points earned by a player who has goals and A assists. Okay, goals for G. We have G for goals. G for goals, okay? And A assists, and A for assists. Find the number of points earned by a hockey player with 12 goals and 29 assists. Okay. 12, okay, focus here. I have here solution, okay, the solution. How can I solve this? I have here A plus G, okay, points earned, A plus G, this is for assists and for goals. A plus G, substitute G for 12 and 29 for A. So 12 plus 29, it gives you 41. Okay, easy one. Okay. Okay, dear students, exercises. Okay, let's move to the practice book. I want you to solve this by yourself. Page 10 on the student book, and let's move now to the practice book to solve some problems.